All right. All right.
Last
Akila.
night, Miss Carter.
Just a second. Let me talk to Akila right now. Akila, we know that you're having technical difficulties this morning and your mom is working so hard to try to figure it out. So we are going to record the math lesson for you today. So you will be able to see it and follow along.
Whoa.
And hopefully Miss Davidson will be able to help you get your tablet working again so it's not an issue. All right, friends. So real quick, let me turn this on. Okay. All right. So let's look at this. Ian, I see that your hand, hang on, Tyler. I need you to raise your hand if you have a question. Ian, I see your hand is up. What was your question, sweetie?
How they're like emoji.
Oh, yeah, that's a raise hand emoji. So if you need to ask a question, you click that emoji and I can see it pop up on the screen. Go ahead, Tyler, and then we need to get started on our lesson, okay? Go ahead, Tyler.
Wait, so you're going to put on 2 assignments on Moby Math?
No, I'm not going to put on 2 assignments on Moby Max. Let me show you what you will click on. You will click on this icon when you get on Moby Max.
100.
And it will give you the lesson, whatever lesson is next, okay? All right. So here we go. So let's read this equation together. I need everybody. I need to be able to hear everybody. So let's read it together. Here we go. 8. Oh, I couldn't hear you. 8. I still can't hear you. There you go. There you are. I was looking for you guys. JC, you need to put your cat down and get ready for math.
I forgot.
Thank you. Here we go. 8
8
plus 5 blank. 8 plus 5 equals blank. So on your paper or your whiteboard, I want you to write down 8 plus 5 equals blank. And I want you to go ahead and solve that using whatever strategy you're comfortable with. I need you to solve that using whatever strategy you are comfortable with. But it needs to make sure that you are using a whisper voice and nobody can hear your answer. So if you need to mute yourself to help, you can do that, or make sure that you just keep a bubble in. 8 plus 5 equals blank.
Whiteboard.
8 plus 5 equals blank. Excuse me.
Give him a little Pop-Tart.
8 plus 5 equals blank. And I want, if you are finished with your work, I want you to show me with your screen.
Something.
Oh, I see it, Abel. Good work. And good job not saying it out loud. That was awesome. Good job.
Blueberry.
All right, let me see some other work. I've seen Abel's work. I want to see other friends. Show me your work.
That's the first one done already. I did so fast.
8 plus 5 equals
So
13.
my cat loves.
Miss Carter,
Yes, Tyler.
do you put up the sign like this?
I don't know that I understand what you're asking.
I'm done.
No, this. My screen. Look. On my screen.
Oh, that just means yes, you've got it.
Hold up, look.
Yeah.
Next, I see your hand. Thank you for raising it. Good job, Ian. I like the strategy you used to part whole. Jeremiah, nice work. Go ahead, Nix.
I knew that ant.
On my whiteboard right now because I'm eating breakfast.
Okay.
And it has syrup.
Okay. Yeah, we don't want to get syrup on our whiteboard. That would be super messy. All right, good job, Anna. I see your work. I've seen a lot of people's work so far this morning. That's great. Now, what did we find out? What is, let me move this and write it up here. What was 8 plus 5? Let's look at that. 8 plus 5 equals, ready? On the count of 3, I want you to tell me what the answer is. 1, 2, 3.
That's 13.
That's right. 8 plus
13, I
5
got
is
that.
13.
got it.
Now, do you remember the strategy that I've been showing you this week? The strategy of making 10?
So I've been filling up the.
Have you been doing it
squares.
that way, Asa?
I was filling up the
You were?
squares.
Okay, so I'm going to show you the strategy of making 10. Now remember, ready? Oh, I have a lot of wiggles. I need everybody to be still. Now remember, this is just a strategy. If you don't like this strategy, that's okay. You don't have to use it, but I have to teach it to you. So you can put it in your toolbox, which is your brain, and use it if you like it. And if you don't like it, you can put it to the side. Just like Ian and Asa really like using part, whole.
Yeah.
Some people like the count on strategy. Some people like a number line strategy. So different people like different strategies. This is just another strategy that you can use if you want. All right, so let's look at 8 plus 5, and we're going to practice making a 10. So what's the first add-in that I've got in my equation? What number is that?
8.
8. So I'm going to put 8 in my 10 frame.
Miss Carter,
Yes,
when are we gonna be done?
baby, we just logged on. We're not going to be done for a while. Okay, and then what's my second add-in that I've got in my equation? Oh, let's see if Miss Akila got on. I see that she's trying.
5.
Yay, Akila!
We finally got it in. But
Well,
we
I'll
need
tell
to
you-
get a
I'll
new
tell you-
tablet.
I'll tell you what I did, Miss Jones. I started recording this lesson in case you couldn't get on, and that way you would be able to see the lesson, me teaching the lesson. So I did record it, and I will send it to you, even though she's not missing most of the lesson. I'll still send it to you, and that way she can watch it back if she wants to, okay?
Okay.
Good morning, beautiful girl. How are you?
Good.
Good, Akila. We just solved this. 8 plus 5 equals 13. You don't have to write this down. You can write down the next one that we go over, but I'm just explaining to you where we're at. So we're practicing the strategy of making 10. And remember, you don't have to use this strategy. It's just a strategy that you can use if you like it. Now, Akila, I know that your preferred strategy is to draw models and to draw circles, okay? And that's a great strategy to use. You can use that whenever you want. This is just another strategy, okay? All right, so we've got 8 for our first add-in, and we've got 8 in our 10 frame. What's our second number in our add-in?
5.
Oh, thank you, Ian. Ian says 5, so I'm going to put 5 in my second 10 frame. All right, so I've got 8 in my first 10 frame, and I've got 5 in my second 10 frame. Now, remember, with the strategy of making 10, we have to make 10. So I'm going to have to move some from the bottom to fill up the top. Ready? Are you ready? I think I'll move this one up here. And I think I'll move this one up here. Now, do I have 10?
Yeah.
I do have 10. How many more do I have down here? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 down here. So let's use the count on strategy to see if we still get the same answer. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Did we still get the same answer?
Yeah.
We did, didn't we? Good job, friends. All right. Now, Akila, I'm going to have you go ahead and work on this next problem. We're all going to work on it together. But that way you're not feeling like you're behind since you missed the first problem, okay? All right. Here's the next problem. I want you, let me just write it on the board. Ready? I want you to write this problem down. And then I want you to use
9.
whatever strategy you like to solve it. You can use you can use the drawing strategy, you can use part, whole, you can use a number line, you can use a make 10 if you like. But I need everybody to mute yourself while you're working so you don't accidentally say the answer out, okay? All right, 9 plus 4 equals blank. Yes, Ian, I see your hand up. Go ahead, sweetheart.
I don't know the answer, and I wish that was a minus.
Yep, we're working on adding today. We will work on some subtracting tomorrow.
Yay!
Okay, but today we're working on adding. All right. Once you've got the problem solved, show me on the
Miss Carter.
camera your work.
Miss
Show
Carter.
me on the camera your work. Let's see. Abel, was that you, baby?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, honey. Go ahead to the restroom.
Miss
When you
Carter,
gotta go,
how
you gotta.
much?
It's well. Let's read it together, Akila. Ready?
How do 13 looks?
Think about it. Think about what it looks like, and let me see if I can. See if I've got something to show you,
Look.
so you could find it. Hang on. All right, I'm going to show you a chart. See if you can find 13 on the chart, Akila.
I can't see. It's a little bit blue. I can't see it.
That's as close as I can get it, baby. How about this? I'll send it to you in chat. I'll show
No,
you.
I know. Can I see it again?
Hang on, I'm going to send it to you in chat. Just a second. Let me pull my chat over here. There you are, Miss Akila. All right, there you go, Akila. Can you see it come up in your chat?
Yes.
All right. Now let me find where you all went. You all disappeared.
It's 14. I didn't disappear.
All right.
I didn't disappear. I can still see you. Hello. Kind of getting blurry. And can I write this one? Ooh,
Not blurry anymore.
I want to Miss Carter.
Hang on. Oh, there you all are. Now I see you. All right, let me see your work. Anna, I love your work. Tyler, I love your work. And you even have a 10 frame written down there. That's awesome. Let me see. Good job, Jaden.
Look.
Good job, Asa. Good job, Ian.
Miss Carter, what about me?
Well, let me see it. I haven't seen it yet. Show it to me so I can see it, so I can say good job. Yes, ma'am, Miss Akila. I knew you were going to use that strategy.
Virtual learning. So like right now when they meet with their parents.
At least you know you was good. I was going to use that strategy.
All right, friend, because I know that's your favorite strategy. Am I right?
Yes.
It's because I know you, Miss Akila. Just like I know Ian and Asa are probably either going to do a number line or they're going to do a part whole. Good job, Jeremiah.
And all the subtraction I use.
All right, so on the count of 3, oh, I see what you, guess what? Tyler even did a number bond. Awesome job. All right, so on the count of 3, we're going to say the answer. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
13.
That's right. The answer is 13. So you can use whatever strategy you want, but what strategy am I teaching you today? Make a 10. That's right. All right, so let's look at the first add-in here. I'm sorry, my camera went to sleep. Let's look at the first add-in. Everybody look at the
A
screen.
little bit glitchy.
What's the first add-in we have? 9. Good job. So I'm going to put 9 in my 10 frames.
Plus 4.
That's right. So I'm going to put 4 in my other 10 frames. But with the strategy of making 10, I have to have this first one filled up. So I'm going to have to do some moving around. So I'm going to take 1 from the bottom and move it up to the top. Did I make 10?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's filled up, and we know when a 10 frame is filled that it is 10. Now, how many do I have left?
So 200.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3.
Three.
Let me move this. 3. So I've got 3 more. Let's see if that equals the same amount. Are you ready? So let's use the count on strategy. How many do we have right here? 10. So ready? Here we go. 10,
10,
11, 12,
12.
13. Did we get the same answer?
Yes.
Yes. Does it matter what strategy you use? So what's the most important thing? That you get the right answer. That's right. So you can use whatever strategy you like best. Yes, Akila, I see your hand. Go ahead, sweetheart.
I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, Miss Carter, I'm just gonna put the emoji raise hand.
Okay. All right, here's your next equation that I want you to solve. You may solve it using whatever strategy you like best. That's right. So, but remember, don't say the answer out loud. Don't say the
I
answer.
won't.
Okay.
That is just 14.
All right. And when you're done with your work, show me on your screen.
Yeah.
You're done with your work, show me on your screen.
Oh.
1, 2.
You know what I like this morning? I see almost everybody sitting up and working hard. That makes me so happy. JC, I can't really see it because you're laying down, baby. Can you sit up and show me?
So big.
Look.
Let's see. Good
Miss
job,
Carter, what does
Asa.
13 look like?
Oh, we just wrote 13. Do you remember? Look back on your paper. But Akila, I want you to check your work again. Up, Anna used the count on strategy. JC, I still can't see it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Up, Jeremiah used a number line. Good.
What do we have to do?
You can use whatever strategy you like.
Make what? Look. Here's the answer.
Good job. Good job, Akila. Nice job.
To make what? Ta-da!
Let's see. Up. Good job, Nix. I see your work.
Hello.
Good morning, Ethan. We are solving this equation right here. 7 plus 5 equals blank. And you can use whatever strategy you like. Good job, Ian. Ian showed me multiple strategies there.
So, Carter, do you like my emoji I sent you?
I do.
I did the. I had.
Can't wait to see what kind of strategy Tyler uses.
But it is.
All right, let's be finishing up. Tyler, I want to see your strategy. Ryan, I'd like to see yours as well.
Miss Carter.
Let's see, who was that Miss Cartered me? Ian, was that you?
No.
Jaden, was that you? Okay. Hey, Jaden, when you raise your hand, put it close to your face. Don't really put it close to the screen because I can't see you then. All right, so put it beside your face. And go ahead and ask your question, honey.
I was saying, what are we making?
Up, let's look right here. What does it say? Let's read it together. 7 plus 5 equals blank. Good job, Tyler. Thank you for sharing your strategies with me. Hey, Ryan, what strategy did you use, sweetie? Hold it up just a little bit more.
Miss Carter, do you know I'm writing and it's on YouTube?
Good job, Ryan. All right, so on the count of 3, I want everybody to tell me what 7 plus 5 is. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
12.
12. Nice job. Nice job.
I thought it was 13.
Well, I heard some people say 12 and some people say 13. So let's solve it.
13.
Listen, let's
I
solve
put
it.
a 3 and a 1.
Okay, hey, Kyla, let's solve it and see who's right, okay? So you all used whatever strategy you want, but remember, I'm teaching you to use the make 10, okay? So remember, it's just a strategy. If you don't like the strategy, you don't have to use it, but you can put it in your toolbox, and maybe one day you'll be a little bit older and a little bit bigger, and you'll be like, oh my goodness, that strategy makes sense. I'm going to use it. Thank you, Miss Carter. So let's look at our equation. 7 plus 5. What's our first add-in that we have in the equation?
7.
Thank you. 7. So I'm going to put 7.
5.
I'm going to
And
put
5.
7 in my 10 frame.
And 5.
And then I'm going to put 5 because that's my other add-in. I'm going to put 5 in my second 10 frame. Now
So
with the
this is,
strategy of make 10, I have to make 10. All right, so I'm going to have to do some moving and grooving. So let's look. How many am I going to have to move to make a 10?
3.
Who said? Ethan, was that you?
Yep.
Let's see if he's right. 1, 2,
3.
3. I have 3 empty spots in that 10 frame. So I need to move some of these up here. So I'm going to take this one away and move it up here. I'm going to take this one away, but I'm going to move him up here. And I'm going to take this one away and I'm going to move him up here.
12.
All right. So now let's see if we have the same answer. Do we have a full 10 frame?
And 7.
Yes.
Yes, so our equation is going to be 10 and how many more? How many more? 2. That's
Miss
right.
Carter, can we take a trip on aquarium?
No, we can't right now, baby, because we're not even allowed to go to school, so we can't take an aquarium field trip. All right, so ready? We have 10 and 2. Let's see if we get the same answer. Let's use the count on strategy. 10. I want to hear you count. 10,
10,
11, and 12. Did
12.
we still get the same answer?
Yeah.
Yes, we did. So remember, that's another strategy that you can
Miss
use
Carter, I'm a little sad.
when you, I know, I'm sad too. Ready? When we are solving addition problems. All right, ready? We're going to do one more.
Hey.
In fact, let me write it up here instead. This is the problem, the equation that I want you to solve.
Okay, 8 plus 7.
8 plus 7 equals blank, and you may use whatever strategy you want. You may use
8 plus
whatever
7.
strategy you want, but if you think that you could do it, I'd love to see you try to solve it using a make 10.
Miss Carter,
Yes,
I'm
sweetheart.
ready to get on my work. Miss Carter, I'm ready to get on my work.
Hey, Akila, right now we're in our whole group math lesson, okay? So this is what we have to do right now.
That when you done for the day. That when you done.
All right, 8 plus 7, and you can use
Okay,
whatever
Miss Carter.
other
1,
strategy that you
2,
whatever
3,
strategy you want
4,
to use.
5,
But if you
6,
think you can do
8,
make 10, I'd love to
9,
see you give it a
10.
try.
Miss Carter, guess what?
Miss Carter.
Yes, Asa.
I'm making my own homework.
Mm.
What is it again, Miss Carter?
Look up here.
Miss Carter.
Let's read it together. Abel,
1,
ready?
2,
8
3, 4,
plus
5,
7 equals blank.
8.
All right, I'm looking to see some friends show me their work.
Miss
Show
Carter.
me your work on the camera. Yes, Asa.
I said, I am making my own homework.
Okay, sweetie, but right now, this is what we're working on right now,
Miss
okay?
Carter.
Let me see, Akila.
Daisy.
13.
Count one more time. You're very close. Give it another try, Akila. Let me see, Jeremiah.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Let me see, Anna. Good.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, I did my work then.
Hey, JC, I want to see you working, please.
Don't call that mom,
I already have the answer in the one.
Oh, good job, Tyler.
The answer 15.
Good job, JC. Thank you for showing me your work.
The answer 15. The answer
Hey, Kyla, give your brain a big old kiss.
15.
Miss Carter.
Yes, Jaden.
What is it?
Look at the screen. What does it say? Let's read it together.
I can't
8.
see it.
You can't see the screen?
No,
Okay.
I can only see you.
You can only see me? Okay, ready? I'll tell you then. Ready? 8 plus 7 equals blank.
When you're decking, it's not as bad. You share a room with
It's harder.
Yes, Kyla.
I'm a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, it gets loud when everybody's thinking out loud. That's why it's really important for us to go ahead and mute while we're thinking, because sometimes,
13.
hey, Abel, we're not going to yell the answer out. Remember, self-control. Self-control. Yes, Nix. Good job. Check your 5, Nix. You've got it written backwards. See if you can write it the other way, okay? All right. So on the count of 3, I would like you to tell me what 8 plus 7 is. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3.
15.
Oh my gracious grief. You all are brilliant. So I saw a lot of different strategies.
Miss Carter, you didn't see mine.
Because your camera's off, buddy. I can't see it when your camera's off.
Miss Carter, I used
Oh, look at you, Ian.
I'm done.
2 strategies.
I saw you
Miss
did.
Carter, can you see me?
Hey, Akila, I can't see you. Quit turning your camera off, Angel. Good job, Nick. All right, I'm going to wait. Oh, hang on. I'm going to wait till everybody's still. I hear a lot of noise in the background.
You got mine, Miss Carter.
I'm going to wait. All right. Thank you for being quiet. Nix, I see your hand up. Go ahead and ask your question.
Use the 10 strategy.
Yes, you did. I saw that you used a make 10 strategy. Excellent job, Nix. Akila, I see your hand. Go ahead.
When are you gonna give us a next question?
Ready? Right now, we've got to finish this question, Akila. So stay focused here. All right, so let's look at our first add-in. What's our first add-in in this problem? 8. So I'm going to start by putting 8 in a 10 frame. What is my second add-in in this problem?
7.
So, I couldn't hear everybody. What's my second add-in right here? Thank you. I only hear Ian right now. What's my second add-in? Thank you. There you all are.
We're doing something new.
Ready? So now, when I'm using the make 10 strategy, I have to have a 10 frame. Let's look at this first 10 frame. How many spots are empty?
Hey, slot.
2.
I only heard Anna.
Go.
How many spots are empty?
2.
Thank you. So I'm going to have to take 2 from the bottom and move them to the top. Ready? Hey, Asa, mute yourself, please. So I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm going to move it up there. And I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm going to move it up there. Now, do I have a full 10 frame?
Yes.
I do. So my new equation is going to be 10 plus how many?
7.
Let's look. Does this have 7, Ian? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 plus. That's okay, Ian.
Because
So now let's use the count on strategy to solve to see if we get the same answer. Ready? 10,
10,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Miss Carter.
Did we get the same answer? Give me a thumbs up if we got the same answer. Asa, please don't do that. Thank you. Did we get the same answer? Thumbs up if we did.
No.
B.
Yeah, we did, didn't we? All right, friends, let me stop share for just a second. Hang on just 1 second, Ian.
I'm done. See, we're done.
All right. Well, we're not done yet, Abel.
Where's
All right.
Jackson? He's
Uh,
gone.
Yep, he's gone. I don't know where he
You
went.
were frozen.
All right. Ian, I see your hand up.
What's next, Miss Carter?
Hang on. It's Ian's turn. Hey, Akila, I called on Ian because he had his hand up. So if you have something to say, make sure you put your hand up instead of just yelling out, okay? Just like in class.
Anna said 2. I said 2.
Say
When-
that one more time, honey.
When Anna said 2, I said 2.
Did you say 2 as well? I
Yeah.
see your hand, Akila. Go ahead and unmute yourself and ask your question.
What's next?
Well, what's next is small group for some of us. So I'm going to send some of us away and I'm going to keep some of us here. All right. So
I
these
can't wait to
people,
be here.
these people need to stay. Jameson, he disappeared. I don't know where he went. Jaden,
Left.
you need to stay. JC, you need to stay. Jackson, if he was here, he needs to stay. Abel, stay. Jeremiah, stay. Akila, stay.
What?
And Ethan, stay. So Ian, you can
We
go.
have the same marker.
Tyler, you can go.
Yeah, we do.
Anna, you can go.
Let's go to me and
Asa, you can go. And Nix, you can go.
Me and Nick have the same marker.
You do, don't you?
Yeah. That's the little eraser at the top.
And Ryan, you can go too, Angel. You can go too. I don't need you today in small group.
Miss Carter, why you always need me?
No, my mom said that.
Miss Carter,